Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Mara today. Mara Holdings. Yes. Is it time to buy the stock at $17.85? I'm going to give you all the updated price prediction for Mara Holdings. Now, let's break this down because on my last video in Mara, I was telling you that the market was prepared to go lower, and that did not pan out right. Look at this. Not at all. The moment that we did our price prediction in Mara, take a look at what happened. The market went up. So this area right here, I'm going to tell you is going to be important for us to predict where price is going to go next in Mara, right here. Okay, that's going to be important. This area has been named a buy zone. Now, why would I say a buy zone? Why would this be a buy zone? Well, because when price was coming down to this area, it stopped. In order for price to stop going lower, people have to buy, and it has to stop people from selling. That is what happened here on this daily time frame for Mara, August the 5th. And then they came through again. The buyers did it not once, they did it twice. They bought the stock twice right here around $13.50 to like $14. Boom, that's a buy zone then. So this price prediction didn't pan out well for us. No, 29.86% on September 26th. Yeah, this one didn't work. So let's get rid of that and let's get right back into position. Okay, so now apparently this area is going to be very important for the market buyers. Now, next thing I want to show you on this daily chart is look at this. Look at all of these signals that is being triggered on our chart. Right? Buy, buy, buy. Oh, we even got one yesterday. Look at that. Now, just because we see signals pop on our chart doesn't mean that it's an emphatic buy. Because when you see signals trigger on our chart next to areas of zones, you still need to be a little bit more careful, right? And I'm saying that because this signal from yesterday was triggered buy, right? But we're hitting a sell zone. Okay, so now we need to investigate. Do we really think the buyers will break this zone higher? Because it's so cool. We could take that buy zone, that buy signal as legitimate or at least a high probability signal. Do you think that's going to occur in this stock, Mara? Do you think so? Take a look at Mara on the 2. Okay. Now, look at this. Not only did we create this buy zone down here, we have also seen an area to where buyers are also buying a little bit higher. Okay. Do you think the market's going to break this sell zone? What about on the 3? Are you bullish on the 3? This looks pretty bullish when you combine all of these 3-day price bars, though. That's pretty bullish. What about on the 4? Would you be bullish on the 4-day chart? Look at this 4-day bar here. What you thinking? Will we break this sell zone? If so, our next target is going to be around like $20. What about on the 5? Would you be bearish? Would you be bullish? Would you anticipate the market breaking that sell zone? I'm going to give you my thoughts. I'm going to tell you my opinion because I do think so. I don't think the sellers have enough fight in them to keep the buyers at bay. Because if the sellers did, then the market in Mara, for one, would not be trading back at this sell zone again. And then following this 5-day bar, we would have seen the market go down, but that hasn't been the case. That wasn't the case. The market in Mara is coming right back. It's like the buyers just telling the sellers, look, I know you guys hit me the last couple of rounds, but I'm rejuvenated. I've gotten more training. I'm ready to come back into the ring and let's see what's up now. That's what they're saying. And it looked like the sellers might end up losing a round. They might end up losing the competition in this zone. So, all that being said, this is what I am going to do. I'm going to anticipate that Mara is prepare for higher prices. Okay. Now, we still have to be careful because they're still in the midst of this competition going at it. And I'm talking about the sellers and buyers. They're going at it right now in the sell zone. So if you see the market every other day or so, price going down and then price going down again, then you might begin to say, all right, cool. Them sellers, boy, they're really in there fighting right now against these buyers. But if you see one day market go down, the second day market goes down, but then the third day you see a massive move, just completely eliminating the price move of the last 2 days of the price going down, that tells you that those buyers are really, really strong, that they're motivated, that they're ready to continue to push this market up higher. So we just got to be the fans. We just got to be the cheerleaders, sit on the stands and watch these people duke it out, play it out, see who's going to win. Now, one thing the buyers have in their favor is this. Okay. They got this going in their favor, which is a good thing. All right. So our first target is going to be here at this first sell zone. Okay. 15.65%. This is going to be the next arena that we would expect the buyers and the sellers to compete. This is going to be the next arena. 22.72% right there. Okay. So these are going to be our first two targets. This first sell zone and then this second sell zone. Now, don't forget about this current one though. Okay, if the buyers cannot even get rid of this first arena, then we definitely need to talk and say, look, all right, cool, the sellers got it. We might need to come back in and drop another price prediction telling you, look, the sellers got it. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. Oh, let's anticipate the price to go back down then, because if the buyers don't want it, then we're on the losing team. With this price prediction, we need to join the winning team. That's what we do here. We make sure that we participate on the winning team. So currently, from what I've seen on this chart, I think that the buyers are the ones that's winning, and that's the price prediction that we're going to go with for this moment. All right. So now I am done. You guys can go ahead and drop me your price prediction with a comment below, and make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.